AI-enabled intelligent cameras collect and analyze data at the edge to protect people and property, enhance worker safety, unlock business insights, and drive productivity gains. As a co-creation partner of choice, Analog Devices provides the core technology and domain expertise to enable these cameras to see, sense, and think. ADI's comprehensive range of ultra-low power microcontrollers embed AI for audio and image event detection, while providing secure node authentication and data protection. Seamless connectivity is made possible with edge-to-enterprise industrial Ethernet and power over Ethernet solutions, while harsh weather conditions can be overcome with the augmented vision capabilities of ADI's 24 gig radar solution, minimizing false alarms and enabling fast intruder detection. In applications where cameras must rapidly target an event or intruder and then smoothly track and record movement, ADI Trinamic Motion Control solutions and multi-turn position sensors simplify and accelerate camera design. To learn more, please visit analog.com, elevate surveillance.